Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have the iPhone SE and you want to know how to turn the lock sound on and off. For example, I have it on right now, so every time I lock my phone, you're going to hear that. Okay, so very, very simple. First thing to do is go ahead and go into your settings here, and then from your settings, you want to go down to where it says sounds, tap on sounds. Now go ahead and scroll all the way down to the very bottom here, and it says lock sound. Okay, so it's off, it's on. Another thing too is, even though that you have it on, if you have the mute button on, so let me pop the mute button on, you're not going to hear the lock sound no more. Okay, so if I click on the lock sound, you don't hear nothing. Okay, so again, you cannot have your iPhone muted. So let me go ahead and unmute it again. So I'm going to go simply press up on the mute button, so it's unmuted now, and now every time I press the lock button, you'll be able to hear it again. Pretty simple. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.